this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Welcome to my channel. Ready for today's video? Today's video, I am going to use this beautiful Whisper of Pink background stamp to share with you how to create those two beautiful cards. It is very simple and it's very easy. This Whisper of Pink is one of the 8 brand new background stamp. So make sure you check our website. The pre-Black Friday bundle set is available until this Sunday. If you are planning to order, just make sure you check it out. Okay, so I have my basic card here. It's going to be the A2 size card. And then for the white card stock is 3.75 by 5 inches. This is a Cougar White 100 pound. I use a lot. So the Whisper of Pink is a detail stamp. If you take a look, this stamp is really detailed. If you love to coloring, this is an awesome image for the coloring. But I just want to share with you something fast and simple. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I already have a few of my magic mushrooms sitting here. I use these magic mushrooms a lot because this is the best blending tool that I'm using. But of course, I will try to mix with some other craft tool too. So let's grab my laminator sheet. We're gonna working on top. So I'm going to use the Memento Impact, just a few color, and then I am using my yellow magic mushroom. And make sure before you use it, you got to dip in the water, make sure they are moisture. And then if they are dry, they don't blend in well. They have to be moisture to be able to do the blending job. Okay, it's very easy. I've been repeat too many times when we apply the color. You always start from your scrap paper. So I'm going to gently just brush a stroke. 1, 2, very light. If you're not sure how much ink you have on your sponge, you just remove a little bit extra. So I'm going to just gently apply a little bit color. Actually, I'm going to flip over here. It's actually too much. I want a very soft color. So I'm going to just flip over, do again. So 1, gentle, 2, just a little bit. Sometimes I just borrow the color that I put, the color that I was using for testing. Okay, so let's start with that. So it's cantaloupe. And then I am going to use my the red one. It's called the rosebud. So I'm going to just same thing, testing a little bit. I just want a very soft color. Just start like a 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Rotate one direction only. Kind of just bring the color to the center. So that's the red color, and then now I'm going to working on the blue. So I don't even bother to dipping my magic mushroom to the impact. I kind of just, I think I was using the blue. I have enough color, so I'm just gently apply a little bit blue. Same thing, support your sponge. Okay. Very soft color, and green. I think I was using the green too, so don't even have to dip in more color. And then remember, one direction only. Oh, maybe I need a little bit more. Okay, so always remove the extra ink. Okay, and then we're going to do a little bit purple. Same thing. I am not, I think this one maybe have to ink a little bit. Okay, see, that's a lot. The color is very dark. So I'm going to just, sometimes you can just link your magic mushroom, use the side. And be very careful for the fingerprint. Fingerprint is my biggest enemy. I found out I always get a little bit fingerprint. But, which is okay because it's a handcraft car, right? So that's my basic color. And then I have my Pink of a Whisper here. Instead of use the black, I am actually use the brown because I found the black color is just a little bit too dark. So this stem is actually come with the sentiment in the middles. Flowers are like your friends. They bring color to your world. So you can decide use it or don't use it. For example, in this card, I didn't use it. So when you ink it, you just avoid that part. If you accidentally get some ink on top, just make sure you clean nicely. Okay, don't leave any ink on the sentiment part. So you can leave it without it. It's beautiful picture frame. Or you can use it with it and just put some little touch out on top. So I am going to use this Versified Pine Cone. It's beautiful brown, and then you can use a stamp positioner. If you don't have a Versifying impact, you can use a stamp positioner. Try to stamp 1 or 2 times to be able to get a very good coverage. So the middle part, I am going to just use the brown, just color everywhere now, and then I'm going to use the black impact, kind of just dab a little bit on the bottom line, the last 2 lines to make it more interesting. Okay, so this is my foundation card. Instead of I stamped it, I like to put it directly on top. I like to rub it. Okay, so that's just me. Make sure you rub the whole paper. You don't want to miss any corner. I just like this way because I found out this way they just ink better. Isn't that really pretty? It's very simple, but I think it's just so pretty. And then we are going to just mount on the color cardstock like this. Okay, that's really pretty. But if you take a look at my sample card, you can see few of the flower have a color. So that's totally up to you. You can use the markers. Remember the last few video I was share with you guys. You use the markers, put the marker on the on here, and then use a little brush. You can do some coloring, or what you can do. This what I did is I use the color pencil. And water-based color pencil, kind of color few of the flower. You don't really have to color all of them, just a few of them they will do. And then I put these 2 little dragonflies on top. So these dragonfly stamps belong to the I Spy stamp set. And then I found out that the only snail stamps I have is in the I Spy set. And then I use all of them except these snails with a little mushroom here. So, and then I say, oh, I'm going to use it, put on the side and stamp something else. And then actually a very cute stamp image I have never used before. So, it is depend on you. Like I say, for the list, those A brand new background stamp, this time the way I design, I think you can don't use the other stamp. You can just use the background stamp as the main image for your card, and I think it's really pretty. So this one you can add some butterfly on top, dragonfly, ladybugs, and then just be creative. Add something you like, hummingbird. They will do too. So that's today's video. I hope you like it. The pink Whisper of the Pink is the detail stamp, and then you can use the sentiment or without the sentiment. This is what the card looks like. What do you think? Leave me a comment, let me know. So today is November 16. Tomorrow will be the last day for the Black Friday bundle set. Or regular Black Friday sale is going to start on the 18th. So if you have eyes on those bundle set, this is the best deal. Order now. Otherwise, from Monday, you can order 1 or 2, your favorite. And then remember, it's 30% off the whole online store plus free shipping on the order over $75. And then make sure you check my website and my YouTube channel. There is a lot of videos that I have already created by using those brand new background stamp. Leave me a comment, let me know which stamp set, which background stamp is your favorite stamp, and check this I Spy stamp set. They come with a stamp and die cut. I think you can use a lot of you can use this card to create a lot of things. I use this chameleon to create a wheel card. You change it color, so I think that's pretty good. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. See you next time. Bye guys.